Hello guys and welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide mature content on the Twitch app step by step. So if you want to avoid mature or sensitive streams while browsing Twitch, this video is going to be really helpful for you. Now without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, go to your App Store or Play Store and in the search bar, type Twitch. Make sure that your Twitch app is updated to the latest version, because sometimes these settings may not appear in older versions. Once you've updated the app, simply go ahead and open Twitch. Now, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. Here you will see an option called Content Preferences. Tap on it. Inside Content Preferences, you will find options related to mature content. Now, what you need to do is turn on the option called Blur Mature Content, or Blur Mature Tags. Once you enable this option, Twitch will automatically blur or hide mature content while you are browsing. You can also explore other options here if you want to further customize your experience. And that's it! It's that simple to hide mature content on Twitch. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.